how to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. Now, possible reason could be some of the regions may not be available for Facebook Marketplace, but for some it's actually available. So for us to be able to check on that, we'll have to figure out our settings through the Facebook app. So just simply pull up your Facebook application and then log into your account. Once you logged in, go to your profile settings, just clicking on your profile picture, and then click on the gear icon right here beside the magnifying glass, and then scroll down to settings and privacy, and then see more in accounts center. From here, scroll down, go to personal details, and here, make sure that your date of birth is actually above 18. Because if it's below 18, then you are actually not allowed, or Facebook is not allowing you to view uh, sale items on marketplaces. Now, next thing we want to do is we go ahead and clear cache on your Facebook browser. Just go back to your settings again. You scroll down and then go to the browser and then click on clear right here beside your browsing data. So you'll just have to clear on data first. Make sure that there will be no crashes or further issues that happened or currently ongoing on your Facebook app, and simply rerun your marketplace if it is already working. Third step is going to be checking if your Facebook app is up to date. Go to your Play Store and search for Facebook. Now, if it is fully updated, then you don't need to update it again. Now, the next thing you want to do is make sure that you have a stable internet connection by checking up on your connected devices or connected network. So those are the troubleshooting steps or the informations that you need to check for you to be able to fix on Facebook Marketplace isn't available for you.